up, guys? Back to do another quick review video on the RS. So I've had this car for a little over 2 years now, purchased at the end of June of 2018. So I had it just a little over 2 years, and it's just shy of 18,000 miles. So just want to do a quick overview, good things and bad things about the car, and some of the issues that I've been having. So I just came back from the Ford dealership, and my rear diff is leaking. So I've been having diff fluid all over the differential, the drive shaft, the underbelly. Let's see here if you can see. So you can see all the sludge that's on the diff there. It's on the pan, you can see over there, and it's all up in there. So I brought it to Ford, and it looks like the seal that mates between the drive shaft and the diff has failed. So my gear fluid is going all over underneath the car. I just got the car back from Ford 2 weeks ago for the timing seal being faulty, and I was losing oil out of the motor. It was coming down the oil feed line, and I thought it was leaking out of the banjo bolt, but it wound up actually being the timing seal cover. So that was replaced under warranty as well. At 2,000 miles, my valve cover gasket was leaking, and both VCT solenoids on top of the valve cover, those seals had failed and were leaking as well. And then the vacuum pump actually failed, which apparently is very uncommon for these, but it did. It was clicking and clacking, which I have another video up on YouTube for anyone that might have the same issue. So I had that problem, and then the headliner was rattling, and I do have the sunroof on mine, so I know that's a little bit more of a problem when you do have the sunroof. So the dealership had dropped it, reinstalled it, and put some insulation padding to prevent the rattling from occurring. So in a nutshell, for 17 to 18,000 miles, I have had quite a few issues with the car. The front brakes do squeal like a son of a bitch as well, but I know that is pretty common with Brembos, but it's pretty annoying. So I'm going to be changing the factory pad soon, put on some aftermarket ones to get a little better stopping power and hopefully get rid of that noise. So that would be all the negative. As far as the positive, the seats have been holding up great. The interior is awesome, super comfortable. Have the RS2, so have all the goodies and the bells and whistles. It's quick, it handles great. I did get rid of the stock Michelin tires and put some cheap all seasons on just to beat around in when I had a long commute going to and from work last year. But I mean, the car has been a blast to drive. I've had no problems with the transmission, and it's quick. Like I said, it handles awesome, but I have had a lot of leaking seals and gaskets, unfortunately. So I'm hoping that all that will cease once I get the rear end fixed in a few days. So other than that, though, I do love the car. The sound system is pretty good, and it's just an awesome daily driver that can pretty much do everything, and you know, you can have a lot of fun with it going to and from work. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on all the great problems that I've been having with this car, and hopefully they stop. Otherwise, she will probably be up for sale soon, so let's hope that doesn't happen.